In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to opt out of Squarespace Fluid Engine. If you're working inside Squarespace and you'd rather use the older editing experience instead of Fluid Engine, the good news is that this is very simple to do. Squarespace gives you the option to add a section using the classic editor, which is helpful if you prefer a more traditional layout workflow or you find it easier to manage content that way. To begin, open your Squarespace site and navigate to the page where you want to add a new section. Make sure you're in editing mode so you can access the page controls. Once you're there, look for the Add Section button and click on it. This opens the section library where Squarespace shows you different types of sections you can insert into your page. At this point, instead of choosing a standard Fluid Engine section, direct your attention to the option labeled Made with Classic Editor. Click that option to continue. This tells Squarespace that you want to create the new section using the classic editor rather than the newer Fluid Engine layout system. And that's really the key part of opting out in this context. Rather than disabling Fluid Engine globally, you're choosing to insert a section built with the classic editor, which lets you work in the older editing style for that section. This can be especially useful if you're more comfortable with the classic structure or if you want a simpler editing experience for certain types of content. One thing to keep in mind is that this choice applies when you're adding a new section. So if you already have existing Fluid Engine sections on the page, those won't automatically convert just by selecting the classic editor option for a new one. If needed, you may want to plan your page layout before adding more sections so your editing experience stays consistent. A helpful tip here is to pay attention to the labels in the section Menu, because Squarespace can present multiple layout options and it's easy to click into the newer editor by mistake. If that happens, just back out and select the classic editor option instead. So to recap in a simple way, open the page editor, click Add Section, then choose Made with Classic Editor. That's how you opt out of Squarespace Fluid Engine for the section you're creating. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you quickly switch back to the editing style you prefer.